Burn off fat, a simple guide to a tricky phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in conversations about health and fitness. Burn off fat. Understanding this expression is key to grasping a lot of English discussions around weight loss and exercise. So, let's dive in. When someone says they want to burn off fat, they are talking about using up body fat as energy. This usually happens through exercise or activity. The body stores fat as a reserve of energy. When you exercise, your body starts to use this stored fat to keep up with the energy demands, which can lead to weight loss. It's not just a simple phrase. There's actual science to it. Our bodies convert the food we eat into glucose, which is used for energy. Any excess glucose gets stored as fat. To burn off this fat, we need to create a scenario where our body needs more energy than what's readily available from recent meals, leading it to tap into these fat stores. Understanding how to use the phrase in context can be really helpful. For example, after the holidays, I plan to hit the gym to burn off fat. This workout is great for those looking to burn off extra fat. Eating fewer calories helps your body burn off fat because it has to use stored energy. Be careful not to confuse burn off fat with burnout. The latter can mean to become extremely tired or exhausted, especially as a result of long-term stress or overwork. It's also important not to take the phrase too literally. It's a metaphorical way of talking about weight loss. I hope this explanation helps clear up what burn off fat means and how you can use it when speaking English. Remember, it's all about energy balance and how your body uses its resources. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to use this phrase like a pro. See you in the next video.